This chapter has a focus on two big ideas that young children need to learn. First is what number comes next. When young children are first learning to count, they can count up to a certain point, and beyond that they may not know the numbers in order, and in fact they kind of make up their own sequence. They may count 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6. The interesting thing is, if you ask them to count again, they'll say 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6. Now, a parent or teacher can help that child by identifying that cutting edge of their knowledge about counting and practicing the next number. The second thing in this chapter is that the last number you count tells how many. Young children don't know that. Just as an example, one of my children, when they could count 1, 2, 3, 4, and count correctly, if you ask how many, would always respond 7. And that went on for several months. Another of my children had a different response, same misconception, didn't know that the last number told how many, but when you ask how many, they would simply recount. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Young children need to know that that last number you count tells how many. This chapter can help children learn those two big ideas. Additionally, there's some practice for counting and a beginning to recognize the symbols that we use for numbers.